Looking for an internship or job in data science, software development, or advertising? Meet Nielsen, the companies whose data pass decision at Netflix, YouTube, and the entire advertising ecosystem. From building high-scale pipeline to designing AI models that track what millions are watching. This is where tech meets media. Let's know how all it works from the business, technology, history, and the career. All in this episode of the Industry Decode. When Marvel drops a new title on Disney Plus Netflix, how do you count one viewer at a time and not four? Nielsen tackled this by processing 50 billion viewing events every day and deduplicating users across devices. It's a hybrid framework. Panels of 750k homes, massive big data streams from set-top boxes, smart TVs, and streaming apps. Huge but anonymous. Machine learning maps panel accuracy onto one big data. Under the hood technologies like Kafka and Flink process data in real time. Device fingerprints and audio watermarks reveals who's watching what. Even a 1% error means 50 million misallocated. So reliability is non-negotiable. This tech powerhouse started with Nielsen in 1923 as an engineering consultant. During the Great Depression, he pivoted the consumer research and even coined the term market share. By 1930, the Nielsen was measuring radio with odometer, and by 1950, it had created the television index, the global gold standard. For decades, its TV and streaming ratings have decided how 70 billion in advertising is bought and sold. After spinning off its consumer arm in 2021, Nielsen became a pure play media measurement giant. Its subscription business model has three main streams. Media networks pay to measure their audiences, advertisers and agencies pay to plan campaigns and track ROI. A new outcomes marketplace links ad impression directly to sales and brand lift. Nielsen One platform solves the industry's biggest headache: fragmented viewing. By measuring audiences across TV, streaming, and digital, other products like audience segments and the Gauge snapshot US views trends monthly. Financially, Nielsen pulled 3.5 billion revenue in 2021 with 1 million profit. It was then acquired for 16 billion in 2022. Proof that even in streaming age, its data is priceless. With 60 to 70% in US market share, Nielsen serves Disney, NBC Universal, and Netflix, while fending off competitors like Comscore, Kantar, VideoAmp, and iSpot.tv. Both Nielsen and Nielsen IQ are hiring across Mumbai, Pune, Bangalore, and other locations. Check out their official career page for current openings and early career programs. Links in the description. Follow MadMe Codes for insights on tech companies, startups, personal takes, plus Lopi style story time. Join me live as I build in public. Let's explore tech and business together.